koutou, ko Alia tuku ingoa. My name is Alia.
E Morena Winton School, ko Talia ahau. I'm Talia. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ratu, the 2nd of August.
Straight to te Rerenga Kōrero, or te Wiki. This week's phrase is Kia Aotearoa, meaning awesome Aotearoa.
Koia ke a koe. You really nailed it. That's toia ke Aotearoa, meaning awesome Aotearoa.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing, wearing their Hi Viz vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
Book club news. All money and orders are due into the office this week.
Ordering books helps out our school library too. Kia ora.
Health and safety news. Ice packs. If you happen to need and use an ice pack because of an injury at interval or lunchtime,
please return to the office A.S.A.P. Thank you.
ICAS news. Students taking the English assessment, please meet in the group room straight after interval with a pencil and a razor.
Good luck to everyone and of course reigning champion Riley.
PALS news. Check out the window on the library for who and where. Not sure who's up today.
Birthday news. Only one at Winton School and boy is it a big one.
Carl Gilbert hits double digits and turns the Big 10.
Ra whānau kia koe Carl. Have a great day.
And that's all for Winton School. Winton School News. Thanks for tuning in. Ta kite a pōpō.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay classy, Winton School.